Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your video play backward in CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have created a project as well. And as you can see that I have imported a video to this project. And first of all, I'm going to drag this video to the timeline. And then I'm going to cut the video to make the process faster. So if we want to make this video play backward, we just need to click on this reverse option guys right here. So click on the video and then click on reverse option, then your video will be played backward. So click on the reverse option, then you have to wait for the process. The process maybe will take a little longer. It depends on the duration of the video. So we have to wait until 100% guys. So just hold on. Alright guys, and now the process has been completed, and now let's just take a look at the result. So I'm gonna play this video. Okay, so this is the result, and I'm going to show you the original one. I'm going to click on undo button. So this is the original one guys. So this is the original video, and this is the video after we make it play backward. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our video play backward in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.